Have you ever found yourself in a meeting, staring at a screen filled with tiny faces, wondering why communication feels so off? Maybe it's the lag, the echo, or the constant struggle to hear everyone clearly. If you're nodding along, then you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of video conferencing platforms to determine whether Zoom or RingCentral is the superior choice for your business or personal needs. The pandemic forced us to adapt to a new way of working and socializing, and video conferencing platforms became essential tools. Zoom and RingCentral emerged as two of the most popular options, each with its own unique features and strengths. But which one is truly better? Let's break it down. Feature comparison. Zoom versus RingCentral. Video and audio quality. Both Zoom and RingCentral offer high-quality video and audio. However, there are subtle differences. Zoom's video quality is generally considered to be slightly better, especially in low-light conditions. RingCentral, on the other hand, has a reputation for excellent audio quality, making it a great choice for conference calls where clarity is paramount. User interface and ease of use. Both platforms have intuitive interfaces that are easy to navigate. However, Zoom is often praised for its simplicity and user-friendliness. RingCentral, while still easy to use, offers a more comprehensive feature set that may be overwhelming for some users. Features and functionality. Zoom and RingCentral both offer a wide range of features, including screen sharing, recording, and integration with other productivity tools. However, there are some key differences. Zoom is known for its robust cloud recording capabilities and its ability to host large-scale webinars. RingCentral, on the other hand, excels at phone system integration and offers advanced features like call center capabilities. Pricing. Both Zoom and RingCentral offer a variety of pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. Zoom's pricing is generally more straightforward, with a free plan that includes basic features and paid plans that offer additional features and increased participant limits. RingCentral's pricing can be more complex, with different plans for voice, video, and messaging. Real-world use cases. Small businesses. For small businesses, Zoom is often a popular choice due to its simplicity and affordability. Its free plan is suitable for basic video conferencing needs, and paid plans offer additional features as the business grows. Large enterprises. Larger enterprises may prefer RingCentral's more comprehensive feature set, including advanced phone system integration and call center capabilities. RingCentral's pricing can be tailored to meet the specific needs of large organizations. Education. Both Zoom and RingCentral are popular choices for online education. Zoom's ease of use and ability to host large webinars make it a good option for virtual classrooms. RingCentral's phone system integration can be helpful for managing student calls and inquiries. Performance and reliability. Speed and lag. Both Zoom and RingCentral strive to provide a seamless video conferencing experience. However, speed and lag can vary depending on factors such as internet connection quality and server load. In general, both platforms perform well under normal conditions. Uptime and reliability. Both Zoom and RingCentral have a strong track record of uptime and reliability. However, it's important to consider the specific needs of your organization and choose a platform that is known for consistent performance. So, which platform is better, Zoom or RingCentral? The answer depends on your specific needs and preferences. Zoom is a great choice for small businesses and individuals who need a simple and affordable video conferencing solution. RingCentral is a good option for larger enterprises that require advanced features like phone system integration and call center capabilities. Ultimately, the best way to determine which platform is right for you is to try them both. Many platforms offer free trials or limited-time plans that allow you to test their features and performance. Have you tried Zoom or RingCentral? Which platform do you prefer? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.